How to add products to Webflow. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add products to Webflow. So, how do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Webflow account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, the next thing is to select the site that you want to add products to. Okay, so I'll just select the site. Now once you select the site, click on open designer, and once you do that, be directed to a page. Once this page loads, you'll be directed to your site. Now this is my site. And then the next thing to do is to navigate through to the cart option located at the left side of the screen, or the e-commerce option to be precise. Okay, so this is the add element page navigator, and then this is the e-commerce option located under the users option and above the apps option. You just click on it. Once you click on it, you would see setup guide, products, etc. Click on product. Once you click on product, you'll be taken to the products page. Currently I have no products in my collection, so you just click on add new products. Okay, this is for those that don't have any product on their collection, but if you have, you can just click on add 5, add 10, etc. So click on add new product, and then once you click on it, you'll be taken to the new products page where you have to set up your page or the products page to suit your taste. So yeah, you have to input the name of the product, the slug, a description about the product, categories, media, whereby you add pictures, images to the about the pictures here, about the product here, and then the pricing. Just fill in all of these, and then once you're done, click on create. Once you click on create, some off-screen instructions will be displayed. Ensure you follow those instructions, and then this product will be added to your Webflow. It is very, very simple. Okay, so this is how you can add products to your Webflow account. So go ahead and try it out today. Thanks so much for watching.